2011 Chevy Traverse. The water pump's leaking on it. And basically you get a lot of videos and it tells you to go through the top and take out mounts and motor mounts and strut mounts, but you don't really need to do all that. The simplest way to do it is take the tire off, and you're going to have a half dozen screw clips and about 4 or 5 screws. You'll need a T15. That's for these screws here. A couple of V-tools, a little hook. We'll get these clips out fine. These are the clips. You need a 10 millimeter. Take out the water pump pulley. Those clips hold on that splash shield. And if you look up underneath here, you can see the water pump right up there. Right there. And the water pump is also 10 millimeters. You can get a tool, serpentine belt tool, right here, take tension off it. And basically, you just take out the pulley, then you go back up there with the 10 millimeter, and you're gonna take out 6 or 7 water pump bolts. And the water pump will come and slide right down through here. When it comes down along here, you'll turn it sideways and it'll come out. And you just reverse procedure to install. That is going to be the simplest way to do a water pump on a Chevy Traverse. Again, these are all the tools you're going to need. That's it.